Hello, very good evening, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. So, if you are visit last time my channel, requesting you to please follow my channel and subscribe to my channel and comment me on comment section what is the requirement you want to learn, which section you are like not like you, why you are losing money. So please share on like comment section. Like what happened? We are doing the emotional trade. That is the reason we are losing the money. So let's begin. This topics will be today like Bank Nifty and Sensex and Nifty 50 and also more than 200 index is there. You can do the future and option. Before we talking about the future and option, we need to understand the future option. Future and option. What is called future and option? Future which is by like a future is there like index and option is like I'll show you. This is the option like Bank Nifty. There is a two option. One is call side, one is put side. Okay. So whenever we're open the index and equities try to buy the option, we need to keep in mind the market will be every day will be coming, not for like ending today. What happened? We thought the market will be closed. It means it will be never get will never get any chance again. That is our one of the biggest mistake in our mind. That's why we are losing our money and we are losing our capitals. So keep learning, keep focus on the like which is your which is your weakness. You need to find out and take a try on it. And why you losing the money? That is also you need to make a point or like you may make a notebook for that. Why I am losing the money? Is there any mistake in my trade? If you find the mistake, then only you can earn the money. So let's begin. So today discuss about the future and our option and how to save your capital. So this is the Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 Sensex. So there are three four section generally people are using Bank Nifty is like 12 companies is there. Sensex there is a 30 companies is there. Top India's top 30 companies is there. And so Nifty 50 there is a like India's top 50 companies is included. So what happen if the 50 companies is BAM Nifty 50, there is a 50 companies is are doing oil, so that means the like market will be bullish. If the market 50 companies like more than 40 companies are not performing well, it means the market is bearish. So we can understand bullish and bearish. Market is going upper side, market is going downside. So that's first we need to understand before we place the trade. As per the market trade, we need to do the buy option. Okay, make go to the option chain. So here is the option chain. Every Nifty 50 every week it is expired. What happened? Suppose now the premium 25,300. Premium is 100. Value is 100 rupees. The expiry days. What happened? The market is it will be out of the money. If the price is out of the money, it will be zero. The value will be 0.05. It's mean just if you buy 200 lots, it will be price will be coming like just 5 rupees. That is not. It will be zero only. Just you can say zero. If you buy in the money, the price will be like value will be there, not that much also. So let's try to how to save, how to protect your money. So before you place, you need to understand the market trends and movements. if there is a market, there is no movement in market. Suppose I will show you the like Nifty. What happened? Sometime, sometime what happened? Market is sideways. So what happened? You place the order. Market is falling like this level only, not more than 100 points above, not more than 100 points below. What happened? Your premium will be decay. The price value will be losing the like price value. Suppose if you buy 100, like premium like value will be literally 80. The market will be same level. Strike price will be the same level. So that's the reason you will be losing your money. Other option like other time, what happened? Always try to focus the movement. People, lots of people are doing the like trading in the same time. Like a crore people are doing the trading is the same time. So what happened? People are make a setup. Okay, suppose people like doing this stuff. Most of the people using this one. Suppose people are doing like a make a setup, highly educated, who are trade like lot amount. So they have huge amount. They can buy like 200 lots, 400 lots, 4,000 lots, 5,000 lots together. So they are make like MACD, EMA, AMA. So all the like setup they have done. So as per their market movement, they are doing the buying and selling the price, or selling, and they are good doing the good profit. So what happened? They are doing like that setup. So when market is above, then only buy. If this line is not crossed, then they will not buy. So what happen if you doing buy here? So market will be falling, uh, literally falling. So you will be losing your money. So what happened? This line, when the line is crossed, we need to wait for that signal. So what time the risk people, they are professional trader, what time they are buying, that time we need to buy only. So if they are buying here, so we need to buy as well the same price, strike price. Okay, then only we'll get the profit. When they are doing like 1 crore investing together, so market will be certainly goes up, and again people also doing the buying here, there, then you will get the profit. So this is the first things. We need to wait for the movement, and we need to wait for the patient. So suppose there is a one movement is coming this level. If you buy this level, you will get like this much of profit, like 100 points, like 50 points. So again falling. If you put side, if you buy this here, now you think the market is goes falling. So if you buy this level, market will be falling, then you can do the profit. So we need to wait for the movement. We need to make patience, not for the emotional trade. We need to make patience and waiting for the market movement. So keep it note, this market movement is more important. Otherwise, you will be losing your money every day. So one more thing is, I will show you like Nifty 50. Nifty 50 every week its expiries. Try to avoid like buy the expiry day. If you buy only in the money, then maybe you will get the profit. Otherwise, not. Okay. Don't hold the like. So guys, if you think the market is going up, so then you need to buy only the like call side. So I will show you how to save your capitals. So let's go the premium like. So I have selected Nifty to 25,300 CE. Okay. If the Nifty goes like 25,300 above, so price automatically will get the profitable. So here is the the chart I will be showing you. Suppose this is the structure I have got the movement. People make the setup this level. The like 124 is the like when we need to thought that now if the market is goes like 130. 130, then only I will buy. So what happened, market certainly goes, market gap up open, and market like the 130 is like this is the cross, this line is cross. So then I need to do the buy. After buying, what happened, market is certainly going up, market is going like 171 points. So here I have got, like, if I buy 130 one quantity, so like 35 quantity, maybe I have got profit like 3000 4000 like amount, so like 80 points. So what happened, I thought earning more money, but I have purchased only 3-4 quantity, but my mind is thinking that I will get like 15,000 20,000 this quantity, I will get profit and I will exit from the market. Then what happened, certainly market is breakdown from there. So certainly 5 minutes market is literally going up, so market certainly selling pressure is coming, so market is falling down. So what happened, I am losing the like profit, or how much I got the profit, I that amount also losing. And also now market is like, again, suppose this is the incident happening is last candle, suppose someone buying here, so he got profit like this much, like 196 156 to 196, there is a 40 points that got profit, they are not selling, so they are holding, they thought the more movement will be coming. So certainly what happened, market is little down, so like 130 27, so he lost like 40 points, again got losing their capital. So that's the time, if he thought I have got that much amount, it's a very huge amount for me, then I got profit, I exit from the market. If I am not exit from the market, we need to make the trial sale over there. Suppose this is the strike price, like strike price is this. So if you thought the market goes up, then you can make a trial sale here in stop loss here. So then when the market is falling down, so literally you can exit from the market, you can save your capital. That is the one major things you need to focus on it. So one more things, whenever you made the buy option, so you need to 4 things you need to keep in mind, like you need to make a stop loss, you need to make a like a target price, and if you market is doing your sides, like market you buying call side, the market is going upper side bullish, then you need to hold the like till like you got the profit and make the trial sale. That is the easy way to gain the profit and like save your capital. And also, suppose if you are not made any stop loss here, you buying here, if you are not making any stop loss, so what happened, you got the profit here, but you are not selling the premium equities, then what happened, the price is going, market is falling, so literally falling here 145, so what happened, you have losing like 40 points. You still thought I will be more profitable, market will be after 10 minutes, market can be going up. So that's the reason, that's mindset is like you fit your mind. So that's what happened, market certainly literally going down, you losing your whole capital in a day. Next day you are trying to, like after like next of the time you thought, so already payment is like losing, I have capital, so let's see what happened in the next day, market can be like above open, I get the profit. So that cannot be possible, market could again go like down and you will be losing the whole amount. So before you place this thing, you need to like keep in mind like stop loss. Suppose if you buy the share like 130, if you make like a stop loss here, this level, this is the level, suppose this is the level, if you make the stop loss, so what happen, you can save like 149 price, like quantity per quantity, still you have like 149 if you hit the stop loss. So what happened? Only losing like 30 points. So you have reset up for the buying the next stocks, either Nifty 50, either Bank Nifty, either like index Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, which you want. So try to save your capital first, then only doing the buy future option. So before you place any like future option, you need to understand more, because the SEBI analysis, they are telling every when you open the option chain and all, so there is a mention 9 out of 10 people are losing their capitals. So it is so hard, and when you learn the things, only then you can earn, otherwise not. You will be losing your money. So always keep in patience. When movement will be coming, just only then buy, otherwise not to buy. Just wait and see. When market movement will be coming, then only buy. Then you will get the profit every day, like 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Suppose in a day, if you make like 2,000 profits, then weekly like 14,000. In like 1 month, then it will be like converted 60,000 profit in a month. So don't hold for don't hope for in a day 10,000, 14,000, 15,000. If you think like that, I will earn like 20,000, 40,000 in a day, then you will be losing your capital, whole amount. You will be zero. There is no gaining wealth and all. So guys, if you like this video, please support my channel, follow my channel and subscribe to my channel, and like my videos for the more motivation. And if you have any doubt, please comment me on comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye. See you on the market.